Welcome to the FEMAP 10.3.1 What's New video. In this video we'll be looking at some of the new customer-driven enhancements that have been added to this latest release of FEMAP. Entity viewing has been enhanced in FEMAP 10.3.1 with the new ability to reverse those entities that are displayed and hidden with a single mouse click. In this fuselage model we are currently viewing all of the skin entities by their properties, and we can easily switch to view the internal structure. The ability to reverse the viewed and hidden entity display can be accessed in a number of places in the user interface. First of all, in the View Visibility dialog, a new Reverse button now appears in various tabs. In the Model Info tree, you can right-click in the Visibility checkbox area to get the context-sensitive submenu. And with the Entity Selector activated for properties in this example, you can right-click in the Graphics area to activate the new context-sensitive Visibility submenu. The grouping functions have been enhanced in the Select toolbar. Now, if you wish to modify the contents of a group, you no longer have to ensure that the group to be changed is set to be the active group. In the Selector Actions toolbar, you can click on Create Group to invoke the Save Selection as Group dialog, where you can add entities, exclude or remove entities to or from a choice of all available groups in the model. The Coincident Nodes checking capability has been extended, introducing a Move Only, No Merge option, which will move nodes found to be within the coincident node tolerance. You have control over which nodes move. Higher ID to lower, lower ID to higher, or both to the midpoint of the distance between them. A new Random button has been added to the Color Modify dialogs for geometry and FE entities, including properties and materials, that allows easier assignment of random colors. The colors can be assigned by ID, including specification of bands of IDs, entity type or group, to help distinguish model components and help model identification and verification. It's now possible to create contour criteria and beam diagram plots based on entity IDs, including element, material, and property. This contour model data extension to the View Advanced Post function helps you visually verify ID assignments and model organization. Using the new command List Output Results Ranking to Data Table, it's now possible to select a set of results and rank them in the data table. You can specify the criteria used to define the ranking, such as method and approach, and specify the output sets to be included. Then select the elements to be considered in the ranking, and the ranked results data then appear in the data table. The generation of loads from free body displays, the Model Load from Free Body command, has been enhanced to allow loads to be created from any number of free bodies in the model across any number of output sets. FEMAP picks up the nodes from the free body, but you have the chance to make changes if desired. Also, in the Free Body section of the Post-Processing toolbox, there is a new Select Free Edges icon button in the Free Body Nodes section that can be used to automatically choose the free edge nodes of a group of selected elements. For this, the display mode has to be set to Interface Load. In the List Output menu, there is now the ability to list the free body interface load summary information to the Messages pane. In addition to this, you can also obtain functions and XY plots of both loads and moments versus output sets for a single free body, or loads and moments versus free body ID or XYZ location for a single output set. This helps visually compare loads and moments across multiple free bodies or output sets. These are just some of the new customer-driven enhancements to FEMAP 10.3.1. This release also supports and ships with NX Nastran version 8.1. Full details can be found in the What's New documentation, or visit us at siemens.com/plm/FEMAP, or call your local channel partner.